I received a question about creating a sheet metal part that can be cut to match the assembly that it's in. So here's a simple assembly with one part and one sheet metal part. And of course, when we open this up, we can see that we can flat pattern this and so on. So how can we get our sheet metal pattern to fit in with this part? Well, I would say the simplest approach is to edit this in the context of the assembly. So we say edit here, and then we'll say activate a 2D sketch, highlight this face, and project the face that we want it to fit within. And then we can do a sheet metal cut. I'm going to say through all. And now our sheet metal part is cut to fit inside of this assembly. This is, of course, called in-context editing because we use elements of the assembly to shape our part. This is easy, it's straightforward, and when I go back to my main assembly and open my sheet metal part, we can see that I can still flat pattern it and our cut is still there. Now, if I back this up and I get rid of this cut that I just made and the sketch that I just made, I suppose there is another option, although I don't think it's a very good one, but I do like to put multiple tools on your belt, if you need multiple approaches. One thing that I don't particularly like is the sheet metal boolean, or I guess I should say the assembly boolean for a sheet metal part. Assembly boolean really wasn't made for sheet metal. I guess it can be done though. So we would go to assembly boolean up here, and we would choose our blank, which is our sheet metal part, and then our tool that will cut it, and we'll say OK. And what we've done is we've created a duplicate of our sheet metal part that has our cut, whereas this one is still uncut. And so, the problem here is not only that we were dealing with duplicate parts, but when we edit this in a separate window, we can see that we're a part now. It's just an SAT part. And when we go to send to and we try to convert it back into sheet metal, it says it has to be saved before converting to sheet metal, and saved is disabled up here because this wasn't meant for sheet metal, right? It was meant for other processes. So in a pinch, you also can do a boolean. Note that there's a lot of limitations associated with that. I think edit in context is really the clear winner because in like 5 seconds we made our part fit in the assembly. So that'd be my recommendation from the question that I was asked, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the Alibre channel, and we'll see you in the next one.